Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add an action button to Facebook page. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. Then you need to open Facebook. And once you log in, you simply need to click on your page icon on the top right. Then you need to click on your page. So here you can see my page interface. Let me close this. Okay. And then you need to click on three dots, and here you can see edit action button. Click on that, and here you can see that I already added my channel link. So if you want to change, you simply need to click on change button, and you can select any option that you want to add on the action button. Okay, and how you can access that? So let me click on three dots and click on view as. So here you can see the watch now button. So if someone visit my page, he can easily click on that button and he will redirect to my YouTube channel and easily watch my videos. So this is the simple process by which you can add an action button to Facebook page. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.